Hey, good morning. Chuck here at Apple Drains. Today we're installing the actual footer tile with gravel and perforated pipe, and we've got it stretched out there. And when you're all by yourself, you kind of roll out your pipe, pull it in, bring your bags of gravel in one at a time. Takes a little while, but I guarantee you can do it. So here's our pipe all stretched out way over into the neighbor's yard. And now I'm pulling it into the crawl space, and we're going to take it all the way up to that front wall, which you can kind of see up there. And we're going to start laying some gravel and some pipe. Should take us about an hour, hour and a half, or take me an hour, hour and a half. This is a project that you could do yourself, but if you have a helper, it sure is a lot easier. You know, these bags weigh about 40 to 50 pounds, and you got to drag them back. Of course, you're crawling, and it does take a while. It takes a lot of labor, but we did the hard part yesterday, and that was trenching out along the perimeter. So I'd say it'd take about an hour and a half, and I'll have this done. Take a look. So right now, I'm pulling this pipe in. It's stretched out 100 feet out into the neighbor's yard, and I got to pull it all the way back here to the back. It gets stuck on corners. That's all right. We'll get it. Okay, got some pipe back there. Now I'm going to start bringing bags of gravel. You can see what they are over here. There's our gravel by the door of the crawl space, and I have lots more in the trailer. We're going to bring those all the way up to that front corner where the light is. That's where I'll start. That's the lowest point of the least headroom of the crawl space, hardest area to work. Down here, lots of headroom. Well, you know, 3.5 feet. That's pretty good. So let's bring some gravel. This is one bag of gravel at a time. Okay, we've got some pipe back there and some gravel, but we just got to keep moving more, so hang in there. You know, I thought I could move 2 at a time, but can only take 1 back here in this tight space. A little slow going. Okay, so here's our perforated pipe that I've brought here to this tiny little corner of the crawl space. And you can see there's only about 2 feet, maybe 1.5 feet of room here at the beginning. But we're going to lay that, but first we have to lay a little base of gravel down in our footer, in our trench, and then we put the pipe in, and then we'll cover it up. I've already laid the little base of gravel. Now I'm just going to pull this pipe around to the corner here and put it in the trench. Of course, it's stuck back there. What can you do? Now we're going to pour some gravel on top of the pipe. We've already got a base underneath. Now we're going to go get some more gravel. Be right back. We already have our base of gravel down underneath of this perforated pipe. Now we're just filling up the trench with gravel. And this is drainage rock. You can get it at Lowe's or Home Depot. Works great. Allows water to perk right through it. Basically it floods from the bottom up into the holes in the pipe and is carried away. Lots of bags. About 60, 70 bags in this crawl space. But it goes real quick. Once we get the pipe installed here, then we just pour the gravel. Then when we're all done, we just take our moisture barrier and cover up the gravel, and that's complete. So you can see that was just a couple of bags and I'm already halfway down this wall. The hard part is bringing the gravel back here. Be prepared. Be prepared for some heavy labor. Okay, gonna go get some more gravel. See, getting around the crawl space with 50 pounds of gravel, it takes a little bit of work, but once you get back here, it's pretty easy. Just open up your bag and pour it. You can see our gravel goes around the corner up there. It comes down, comes around this corner, and we're here to here. We're almost out of the little crawl space. We just have one more bag and we're done back here in this real tight spot. And then things will go a lot faster. So that should do it for this corner. You can see we've come around. We've got gravel going all the way back up. So let's move on. So we're coming in the crawl space. You can see that we've laid the moisture barrier back down and we've put our perimeter tile all the way around this crawl space, the footer tile, and this is what that looks like. You can see our gravel perforated, well, you can't see the perforated pipe, but you see the gravel. We bring that gravel right up to grade of the bottom of the crawl space, right here, of the dirt, and then we recover that with the moisture barrier. So this one's done. It all discharges over to that corner where I showed you the cord drain, and this should keep this crawl space much, much drier. So this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.